Hi, this is the Life and Anxiety channel. This track is for anyone preparing for a speech or presentation that may be having some excessive worry or anxiousness. Whether it's a presentation for a school project or a presentation for your job, I want to help you get rid of some of this anxiousness. Are you ready? If you are, then let this continue to play and replay as many times as you may need. It's normal for us to experience anxiousness before an important presentation, but sometimes this anxiousness can be troubling, excessive, or constant. Speaking in front of an audience or a group of peers can sometimes be intimidating, but I want you to remember that that's okay. I also want you to remember that you are the master of your subject. You laid the foundation and you've done the research. Remember that you are the master of your work, your project, and your studies. You may have even mentally rehearsed presenting, or rehearsed out loud in front of friends or family members. The only thing that may be burdening you now is getting up in front of the room and entering that spotlight. I want to try an exercise, an activity, and this involves visualization. I want you to mentally visualize you're in front of a large room filled with many people more than you are actually going to present to in reality. Look at all the people. Take them in. I want you to scan the room of this large auditorium and look at these people. Observe their faces. Now, these people are not here to judge you. They're not here to mock you or hope that you trip up. They are simply here to receive a message. A message that you're going to deliver. Imagine delivering your message, pointing out the key points, performing it with poise and with no worry. You feel great after you finish your presentation, and you leave the stage feeling confident and more empowered than ever. Whenever you feel worried about presenting your assignment, I want you to visualize this again, and to remember that you are the master of your work. You are the master of your presentation, and you know the material, and you've done the research. You've laid your foundation. All there is left is to deliver the message. Simply teach, with no judgment being cast upon you. By the time you go to present your presentation to the class or to fellow workers, you will be ready because you have visualized this before. I want you to be confident and to have faith in yourself. And if you do all this, you will do well. I think you will do great.